Hello, welcome to watch this video. Today I'm going to show you how to create ringtones from audio files fast and for free. First, download all free Ringtone Maker by clicking the link below in description box. Then, install and open all free Ringtone Maker. It's completely free to use. Step 1. Add audio. Step 2. Edit selection. Step 3. Cut audio. All free Ringtone Maker can create ringtones from MP3, WMA, WAV, audio CD and other audio files quickly. This software is free, safe and easy. For more help, please visit alfreevideoconverter.com. Thank you for watching this video.